Hi, and welcome to KIPP BC 3rd grade distance learning day 25. Students will find composite area when there are no squares. When there are squares to count. How silly. There are going to be squares this time. Now, we are so proud of you for working on your math away from school. You are amazing. We've been working on shapes that look like this. And if you're confused about this, I'd really recommend the videos from day 6 through 8. But you could also look at the videos day 21 through 24. Those are all relevant to composite area because this is a big one. And we had to choose, right, with these shapes, if we were going to do this side because it made a rectangle, or this side because it didn't make a rectangle. That's what we were working on today, or yesterday. But now we're going to do shapes where instead of having a number on one part, it might have squares drawn in like this. That is super duper no big deal because we can turn a shape that looks like this into a shape that looks like this. All we do is count the rows and put the number, count the number in each row and put the number. Same here. We might find that it has squares and the numbers are missing. No big deal. Count, put the number. Count, put the number. Make sure you're counting all the squares that go along that whole long side, right? Because they all make up rows. I have to count this corner one twice because it's part of the row, 1, 2, 3, and it's part of the columns, part of the number in each row, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's maybe the trickiest part. Let's look at this worksheet. Step 1, count the squares to label the side lengths. So all these steps, by the way, these are the same as yesterday, but before we do any work, we're going to actually put numbers to go with those squares. So here, this was drawn, right? And the person put a 3 to help them see that these are eventually going to go together, right? This is 2, just like that's 2. They should match. So now I do my 5 times 2 and my 3 times 2, and I'm now picking sides. Since this made a rectangle, it goes here. 5 and 3 are 8. 8 rows of 2. That makes 16. If it had been a shape that looks like this, I would have gone over here and put them together over here because multiplication wouldn't work because they wouldn't all have equal rows with the same amount in each. All right, your turn. Remember, you are a thinker, you are a hard worker, you don't give up, and we love you.